Pakistan-Australian community organized a fundraising dinner on 4 June for Palestine women and children. Over 65 children who died in just 11 days in Gaza. The event was in the supervision of Honorable Legislative Council MNC Mr. Shaukat Musalmani and Mr. Hafiz Shahid Iqbal, the well-known businessman and the former president of Pakistan Association of Australia. Different community prominent personalities were invited in this fundraising dinner.
Since Israel's inception, Pakistan's stand on the issue had forever been the one espoused by Quaid-e-Azam, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and where he said a great injustice had been done against the Palestinian people. That's his quote. Sadly though, contrary to the Pakistani government, the Australian government under Morrison has been atrocious in its bias in favour of Israel. This is even when the Human Rights Watch has labelled Israel as an apartheid state. And also Israel is now facing war crimes. And the public opinion right around, not only Australia, but around the world, is clearly swaying towards justice for the rights of the Palestinian people, yet our government continues to support the apartheid state of Israel.
I would like to thank you for your time and considerations to be part of this much-needed fundraising dinner for the children of Palestine. Children of Palestine is waiting for their brothers, sisters, uncles, aunties and everyone. And special thanks, of course, our honorary Pakistani citizen, Shaukat Musalmani. So we already stand. Pehchan TV, Shaukat Jafri is here as well. Thank you so much.
Community organized this fundraising program so that people's solidarity will help fund projects by community organizations in the Palestine territories to coordinate food programs and as well as unemployment of women and people with disabilities. The efforts of Kamil Khan and Saad Malik, who is known as Bobby, should not be missed. Their support made the fundraising program more successful. The generosity of the Pakistani community was simply phenomenal. A successful fundraising dinner raised around $60,000. Speakers were Honorable Aisha Saeed, First Secretary of High Commission Pakistan, Ken Davies, International Manager of Union Aid Abroad, and Waqar Yunus, the Pakistani fast bowler. His presence and his wonderful words for Pakistani community made the event more successful.
More than 60 children dead and more than 40 women killed. It's a tragedy of immense proportions. The government of Pakistan has already announced that it would be sending a humanitarian aid to assist the people of Palestine, but there's a lot that needs to be done. We know and we have heard that the only COVID-19 testing lab in Palestine was targeted and destroyed in these attacks.
What's been happening in Palestine, and I think they all need our support, they all need our love, and whatever we can do, I think is very, very important. I played cricket for about 20 odd years, played first class cricket, played all around the world, and I have tried to entertain people in various grounds, various places, various countries,
Nasir Tasir, who did a motivated lively comparing, who made the crowd fired up to donate more to the people of Palestine who have suffered a lot.
So this man got out 789 people internationally. How many? 789. $500, that's more like it. That's $500. That's why you didn't say enough. You wanted to take all the goodies. That's $500 I've got. That's $500 now. That's $500.
Every person present in this event donated incredibly. Tom Tobby, the best auctioneer ever. Rahil Chaudhry, Meher Akram, Dr. Nadeem. Talha Al-Jalani, UNSW law student who spoke with conviction, was also in this fundraising dinner. Team of Pehchan TV congratulate Pakistan-Australian community to organize such fundraising event. May Allah bring peace in Gaza. Pakistan-Australian community, Zindabad.
To Shahid Iqbal and the Pakistani community and the representative of the High Commission, and most of all to the cricket great Waqar Yunus. But just also to Hassan Yusuf from the Arab State Federation, and Bashir Salala from the General Union of Palestinian Workers.
Torn from our history, from our people, and exiled forever. Forced to watch from afar, as all of you have, through our screens, with our hearts breaking for atrocities. However, we can't just be silent observers. We can't just watch and say, oh, how sad is that?